In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Confluence. Labels are a simple but powerful way to organize content so you and your team can find related pages quickly. We'll cover how to add them to a page, how to surface label-based lists while editing, and how to remove labels if you need to tidy things up. Start by logging into your Confluence account, then select the space and the specific page you want to work with. Make sure the page is published, not just in draft. Labels are managed on published pages, so confirming that first will save you time. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There, look for the Add Labels icon. Go ahead and click it. You can type a new label or pick from an existing suggestion and then press Enter to add it. Keep your labels short and clear. Consistent names make it much easier to group content later. If you see an existing label that fits, choose it rather than creating a near duplicate. If you prefer working in edit mode, you can also interact with labels while editing. Enter editing mode and type /label. First, select labels list. This will display all labels used in the current space so you can see what's already in circulation. Seeing the existing list helps you stay consistent with your team's naming. Next, type /label again. This time, select popular labels. Confluence will generate a list of labels that are used most often, which is great for aligning with your organization's norms and keeping content discoverable. Then type /label once more and choose filter by label, type a label and click insert. This adds a dynamic list to your page that shows content filtered by the label you specified. It's a handy way to create curated sections like related articles without manually updating links. You can repeat this for different labels if you want multiple filtered lists on the same page. If you ever need to remove a label from a page, switch back to view mode and scroll to the very bottom. You'll see the small tag icons that represent the labels applied to the page. Click the pencil icon next to the labels to edit them, then click the X on the label you want to delete. Your changes save instantly, and the label is removed from that page. That's it for using labels in Confluence. Add them, surface them in useful ways, and remove them when they're no longer needed. Thanks for watching.